Hello everyone, myself Chef Mohan Soni. Today I'm going to make a special kofta of broccoli and spinach. So for the broccoli and spinach kofta, I have a par blanche broccoli. I just parboil and mash it up. I have a mashed mixture of broccoli and spinach here. And this I'm going to add 1 spoon of desi ghee. Our homemade ground spices powder. Little salt in this. My side, I'll keep the hot boiling water so my kofta is not fried. In this I'm going to add semolina. This is more or less like the same recipe which we're going to do for a gnocchi, but here this is a vegetarian dish, so no eggs, and this mixture is soft enough, so I'm not adding any potatoes in that. So we have to use the soft part of the broccoli, not the hard part. If the hard parts come, then the threads come, which is not nice for the koftas. We'll add little more semolina. We'll add semolina gradually as per the moistures. Need to be little dried up with the semolina. Semolina have a very good property of absorbing the moisture. You can see the mixture is ready. Now I'm going to take one fork, little oil. I'll apply little oil in my hands also. I'll apply the oil on the fork, back side of the fork. So small amount of this mixture I'll take and will place on the back of the fork like this. Right? So you can see I have to press this, so this will become like this. Now very nicely, gently we'll remove this. Right? So this is my special koftas. You can see. So we have for the gravy I'll use chaj. This will be like more or less same recipe which we use for the curry pakodi, and this is a sauce which I'm going to use. So just amazing. My koftas in green color, the gravy in yellow color, and this will be very healthy options for vegetarians, which is tasty and delicious. So just 1 minute or 2 minutes I put for the simmering. I'll check it. See. So while we using the forks, we have to be very careful. We have to be press it gently and remove it from the fork to get this type of shape. So now you can see my kofta is exposed very well, good in the shape, nice, firm texture, all have a spirals. So now I'm going to make gravy for this. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to use this is a curry. So for the curry I have a besan. I'm using charge instead of dahi. Okay. So for that I'm going to be have a besan here. Just little besan, not so much. Now I'm going to add indirect turmeric powder because I love to see my gravy in a nice yellow color. Then I'm going to add salt in this. Salt we can add in later also. But by the time I kept the pan for heating up, now you can see I have a charge with me. Now in the pan I'm going to add little oil. I start with the mustard and jeeras is for crackling, and I have for my gravy kasuri methi and asafoetida hing. So I'll first add, because crackling of the methi is you can use methi or mustard seed. I'm using here methi, the fenugreek seeds, just little bit. So I'm not using so much of oil, just less oil. As the mustard seeds getting crispy and about to crackle, I'll add some jeera here. Jeera is a get crackle. I'll add chopped onions to reduce the temperature with a nice flavor. I'm going to add asafoetida powder, pinch of asafoetida powder. As I said, this is a very healthy dish. So the role of asafoetida is giving a flavor as well as, and is very digestive. See my onions getting quickly brownish, but still I'll add little salt to, this will help to be, evaporate the extra moisture of the onions. In this I have a crispy kasuri methi leaves, dry leaves, pinch of that is gone. Flavor is coming very nice. Haldi I already added in this my batter, but still little pinch of haldi, which is give a very nice color also when you little cook with the oil. So now you can see the oil of the onions are getting split. It means now ready to go. Now I'm going to pour my gram flour and charge solution, and this time we have to reduce the temperature. I'll add extra charge now. If you in the first time you take lot of charge, so is chances of leaving the lumps of the besan or gram flour. Nice bubbling, get cooked. I little slow down. Now I'm going to put my koftas in a curry. Let's see now. Our curry is ready with the koftas. I'll do an additional tempering for the same. Now for a tempering, I'll have a pan here. Ghee. Additionally, I'm going to add some mustard seed in this. Chilies, whole chilies, also optional, you can use it. But here for the color, as the mustard seeds getting crackled, I'm just going to add my chilies not get burned, so I have to remove. Now you can see, so this is ready now. Now I'll start push. I'm going to serve in my dish. Wow, look very tempting, nice. You can make out how good and tempting this green koftas of broccoli and spinach, and with a yellow sauce, yogurt based curry. Consistency of curry is very important. This should be have a coating texture, not so thin, not so thick as well. On top, I love to add my tempering oil here for a just last touch, which have a spicy flavor and crackling flavor of mustard seeds. Curry is ready with the koftas of broccoli and spinach with a yogurt based gravy, which is in simple words in Indian cuisine we say curry. So this is curry made of chach, which is also very low fat, is not a heavy fat which is normally people used to make with the yogurt. And this is colors, texture wise delicious. Now it's time to taste. My request to all of you, please subscribe my channel for more innovative and best dishes. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment box. I'll answer your questions, and see you soon with the next video. Thank you very much.